What if you could save hours every single day without doing anything extra? Imagine a world where AI handles the heavy lifting for you, taking notes, organizing meetings, and even expanding your workspace. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. In this video, we shall explore these 6 genius AI gadgets that are transforming the way we work in 2026. Stick around to discover how these tools can boost your productivity with zero effort. So let's dive in. 1. Limitless Pendant Wearable AI. Let's kick things off with something that'll truly make you feel like you're living in the future. The Limitless Pendant Wearable AI device. This sleek, stylish gadget does more than just look good around your neck or clipped onto your shirt. It's designed to optimize your workday effortlessly, all while staying stylish. Whether you're attending a conference, in a meeting, or just running errands, it's discreet, yet powerful. This AI-powered pendant is equipped to handle your meetings and conversations like a pro. From real-time transcription to instant summaries, it keeps you on top of every detail without lifting a finger. Need answers? Just tap it. Whether it's handling your notes or summarizing conversations, the Limitless Pendant makes sure you're always ahead of the game. The AI is constantly learning and improving, so the more you use it, the better it becomes at anticipating your needs. And with 100 hours of battery life and weatherproof durability, this pendant is built to last through every busy workday. It's not just a tech gadget, it's a work companion that stays with you wherever you go, ensuring you never miss a thing. With its long battery life, you won't have to constantly worry about recharging it during the day. And if you're into fashion, the pendant's design is a bonus. It's not just about function, but also about making a statement in your everyday wardrobe. Pretty impressive, right? 2. Plaude Note Pin AI Recorder. Ever had a brilliant idea that slipped away before you could write it down? Well, the Plaude Note Pin is here to make sure that never happens again. Imagine wearing a device that automatically captures everything you hear, whether you're in a boardroom or outside on the go. This device works silently in the background, ensuring that nothing gets lost in the noise of daily life. This ultra-thin device records your meetings, conversations, and even your fleeting thoughts. But here's the cool part. It doesn't just capture audio. Thanks to AI, the Note Pin organizes all the information, creating easy-to-read transcripts, speaker labels, and action items. It's like having a memory bank attached to your chest. With its advanced AI, it can even filter out background noise, ensuring you get the clearest audio, no matter the environment. You'll get professional templates, mind maps, and summaries right after your conversations, ensuring that no valuable detail ever gets lost. And with up to 40 days of standby time, you can trust that the Plaude Note Pin has got your back, no matter how hectic your day gets. It's also great for personal use, like capturing spontaneous brainstorming sessions or preserving special conversations with friends. Plus, its sleek and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry wherever you go. 3. Sightful Spaced-Op AR Laptop Magic. Now, let's talk about expanding your workspace way beyond your laptop screen. Meet the Sightful Spaced-Op AR Laptop, a game-changer in how we view productivity. Imagine not just being able to work on a regular laptop screen, but having a workspace that's as big as your imagination. The possibilities are endless with this device. What if you could turn your standard laptop into a massive 100-inch digital canvas? That's what the Spaced-Op G1 offers. With lightweight AR glasses and a slim laptop base, this device transforms your work environment into a personal command center. Imagine brainstorming ideas, managing multiple apps, or presenting with a virtual screen that's bigger than anything you've seen before. The AR feature is not just about increasing your screen size. It's about elevating your entire work experience by creating a more immersive and dynamic workspace. Powered by a Qualcomm chipset and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, this AR laptop ensures everything looks sharp and feels responsive. Whether you're working on documents, conducting video calls, or switching between apps, you'll have all the space you need to stay productive. Plus, with 8 hours of battery life, you can power through your day without worrying about recharging. The futuristic tech in this laptop is designed to make your work smoother and more flexible, without compromising on comfort or usability. 4. Elgato Stream Deck Neo Control. Have you ever found yourself juggling too many apps and tasks at once? That's where the Elgato Stream Deck Neo comes in. This compact powerhouse is designed to streamline your digital world by putting everything you need right at your fingertips. Whether it's managing work emails, controlling a live stream, or adjusting your computer settings, this tool makes it all easier. With just 8 customizable keys, you can automate repetitive tasks, control your apps, and even manage video calls or live streams with a single tap. Whether you're multitasking across multiple platforms or gaming while hosting a live chat, this smart tool keeps everything under control. It even lets you set up macros to automate multiple tasks at once, so you don't waste time on manual processes. The best part? It's not just efficient, it's sustainable. Made with over 60% recycled plastic, the Stream Deck Neo is as eco-friendly as it is functional. And with its real-time notification bar, you'll always stay updated on your projects without ever leaving the Stream Deck interface. You can also customize it to suit your specific needs, whether you're a content creator, business professional, or gamer. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool for anyone who needs to work efficiently without distractions. 5. Sienda Ergonomic AI Mouse. Long work sessions can lead to wrist pain, right? That's where the Sienda Ergonomic AI Mouse comes in. This isn't just another mouse. It's a productivity tool designed to keep your wrist comfortable and your workflow seamless. The unique ergonomic design is the first thing you'll notice, and it's perfect for long days at the computer. The unique vertical ergonomic design helps keep your wrist in a natural position, reducing strain during those long, demanding workdays. And with tri-mode connectivity, you can switch between 3 devices, your laptop, tablet, and desktop, with just one click. No more struggling with multiple input devices. Whether you're working from home or in the office, this mouse adapts seamlessly to your workspace. Plus, the mouse's quiet clicks keep distractions to a minimum, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Whether it's work or play, this ergonomic AI mouse ensures you stay productive and comfortable. It also offers customizable buttons, so you can tailor the mouse to your specific workflow needs. Whether you need extra shortcuts or a particular function, this mouse gives you the flexibility to design your own setup. 6. LG Smart Monitor Swing Beast. The final gadget is a real game changer, one that combines the best of productivity and entertainment. Introducing the LG Smart Monitor Swing. This monitor isn't just for work. It's also designed to fit into every aspect of your lifestyle, from productivity to entertainment. This 4K UHD touchscreen monitor is fully adjustable, allowing you to tilt, swivel, and rotate it into the perfect position. Whether you're working on spreadsheets or streaming your favorite shows, this monitor adapts to fit your workflow and lifestyle. The vibrant 31.5-inch IPS display delivers sharp, clear visuals with stunning color accuracy. You'll get an immersive experience whether you're watching a movie or reviewing a design. But what sets it apart is its mobility. Thanks to the torsion hinge and wheeled base, you can easily move it wherever you need it. Whether it's for a collaborative work session or a cozy Netflix binge, the LG Smart Monitor Swing lets you switch between productivity and relaxation with ease. Plus, its remote PC access and cloud integration keep all your devices connected for seamless work or play. And with built-in video conferencing support, this monitor truly does it all. There you have it, 6 incredible AI gadgets that will revolutionize the way you work and save you valuable time. Whether it's wearable AI, massive digital workspaces, or tools that automate your daily tasks, these gadgets are designed to help you focus, stay organized, and boost productivity effortlessly. Which one of these tools do you think would make the biggest impact on your work life? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech gadgets that are changing the world. Don't miss our next video. It's going to be just as exciting.